Do you want fix your request is pending on Instagram? Okay, we are going to the fix this problem. Okay, the first step, go to the Instagram, okay, Instagram app, and go to the profile, and here you go to the three lines horizontals, okay, and in here, okay, in settings of your account Instagram, go to the first option, account center, and here in account centers, go to the account settings and go to the option password and security. And here in password and security, you go to the two-factor authentication, okay, and here you choose the your Instagram account, okay, here, and here you press the next button, okay, and here, okay, you download the authentication app, okay, you scan the barcode and copy the 6-digit code, okay, go to the next, okay, and you enter the code, okay, the your authentication app, okay, on Instagram, okay, and you solve the problem. Your request is pending, and bye bye.